Hey, what's up? It's Greg here. I'm doing this update from my car just because I'm busy today, and I wanted to get this update out on Moderna. The stock has been absolutely insane the last couple of weeks, and I originally recommended the stock March of this year, the end of March of this year, so it's been a little over 3 months. Since I recommended the stock at 124, it's gone up 145%, which if you do the math on an annualized basis, that's over 500% on an annualized basis. Okay, just absolutely incredible. At that time, I said that this was probably one of the best investments that I've seen in 20 years, and it has certainly turned out to be true. The stock in the last couple of weeks has basically gone hyperbolic from around 225 up. Now it's over, today it's over 300 on a day when last I checked the Dow was down close to 800 points. All right, so just to update really quickly on this, and if you get value out of this, please like and subscribe and hit the bell. But just to do a quick update on this, and we talk about on this channel, of course, markets and investments, and this is one of the featured stocks that I've had in recent months, and I would suggest, I'll put them all in the description below, I would suggest that you watch the Moderna videos in sequence, starting with the one on March 30th, where I originally recommended it at 124. And watch them in sequence. There are 3 or 4 of them leading to this one. And so anyway, there are basically 3 reasons why Moderna has been rallying so intensely over the past few weeks. Okay, the first one, the happy news that happened last week, that Moderna was added to the S&P 500. Okay, now why is that important? That's important because now every single institution, whether it's an ETF or whatever, that's weighting toward the S&P 500 has to include Moderna in that calculation and or in their holdings. Okay, that is a major milestone for Moderna to accomplish. Okay, so being added to the S&P 500 is huge. Second thing, which is what is contributing to the sell-off today, is the resurgence of the virus, and specifically the Delta variant. Okay, obviously, what's bad news for humanity is good news for Moderna, because it just means that they'll sell more vaccines and they'll sell more boosters, or boosters will be coming into the market sooner rather than later, and that will of course add to the bottom line for Moderna. Now whoops, sorry about that. Now, so imperfect video production here. I want to make sure that doesn't happen again. But anyway, now the third reason is also very important, okay? And the third reason is that Moderna is literally months away from receiving full FDA approval. Okay, and when that happens, everyone thinks, and I totally agree with this, that there will be greater adoption of the vaccine, more people will take it, and that's going to translate into more vaccines being sold, and it's going to take them out of the emergency pricing, which is significantly lower from the full pricing that they'll be able to charge once they get full FDA approval. Okay, these things are massively bullish for the company, massively bullish for the stock, and the market is recognizing all of these advantages that are hitting all at once, and thus the stock has gapped up above 300. It's really amazing, an amazing story, and I just think it's great that, you know, we have the opportunity to invest in a company that's not only going to end up being a great investment, as I've said on previous videos, with not just the current vaccine that is in commercialization, but they have a very robust and very interesting backlog of products which will be coming to market, and they're at various stages of approval right now. Some are in stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3 trials, and once some of them, including the personalized cancer vaccine, which I talked about extensively in some of the other videos, once that comes in, it's just, this stock, who knows how high it's going to go. But it's nice to be able to invest in something that is helping humanity as well as making you a lot of money. All right, so that's the update for today. Now listen, please, if you got value out of this, if you got value out of any of the other videos I've made on the subject, please like and subscribe and hit the bell, for God's sakes, man or woman, so you can be on board and notified for future videos, which for Christ's sake will be coming your way very soon. Okay? Greg, signing off.